Contrast Corner. Today I'm painting a Tyranid. This is a Termagant from the Leviathan box set, and I've given him a dry brush base to start with. Give it a little tickle. Because this is from the Leviathan box set, I'm going to paint it in the Leviathan Hive scheme. The main question you'll be asking here is, why didn't I just use Leviathan purple straight out of the pot? And the answer is, I find Leviathan purple a bit thick, and sometimes a mixture of two contrast paints works really well. This episode is sponsored by Wayland Games, and to say thank you, I'm painting their logo with a random speed paint. This week it's Snake Green from Vallejo's Express Colour. Don't forget to check out Wayland Games for all of your hobby needs. And while we're on the subject of mixing contrast paints, I'm doing a 50-50 mix of Skeleton Horde and Magos Purple for the skin, and actually I think this works really well. And adding the purple into the skin means that it complements the colour of the carapace nicely. Just make sure that you cover all of the areas. I'm just going in with a light coverage on the gun, and I'm actually going to add a little bit of Doomfire Magenta to that mix, and it just makes it slightly more fleshy for those gun details and a few of the others. I'm then going to add a little tickle of Basilicanum Grey on the gun and on the claws as well. I think this works well for the scheme, and a little bit of straight Doomfire Magenta on the tongue really makes it stand out. I'm then picking out some details with white to then go in with ironed and yellow to create that slight glowing effect, which I think is working well. I'm then going to completely break tradition and use Agharos dunes for the base, because I'm going for a more deserty theme. I finish off with that black base rim, and then last but not least, a few desert themed tufts from Siege Scenics will work really nicely to complement that Agharos dunes contrast paint and the general theme of the model. These moss tufts work perfectly. And there we have it. This is what a Termagant looks like, painted in the Leviathan scheme, completely in contrast paints. If there's something you'd like to see, drop a comment down below. And as always, if you found this useful, follow for more, and I'll see you next time on Contrast Corner.